Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a text box in Google Docs. So, let's start the video. At first, open your Google Docs. Now from the top menu, click on Insert, then go to Drawings, then click on New. In the Drawing window, click on the text box icon. Now click and drag to create the text box. Type your text inside it or you can just paste it. Once you finish typing, click on Save and Close. And there you have it. Your text box will appear in the document. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.